Today we're making black velvet PeekABooCake.
All-purpose flour, Catalina Black Bold cocoa powder,
Easy's Best vanilla powder, baking soda, baking powder, salt, eggs, sugar, vegetable oil, milk, coffee, butter, cream cheese, Catalina Black Bold cocoa powder, powdered sugar, milk, Easy's Best whipping cream powder, and Easy's Best vanilla powder. Then whisk to dissolve.
Sift together your flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, baking soda, vanilla, and salt. In your mixer with paddle attachment, beat in the eggs, add the sugar and beat again. Add the vegetable oil, then beat again. Then add the dry ingredients, milk, and beat all together until well incorporated. Dissolve the coffee in 1 cup of hot water, then add into your batter and then beat finely. Divide your batter into 2 6-inch baking pans and bake for about 25 to 30 minutes.
To make the frosting, beat the butter for about a minute or 2. Add in the cream cheese and then beat again for a couple of seconds. Add cocoa powder, beat again. And then add half of the powdered sugar, half of the whipping cream, and then beat. Add the remaining half of both and finalize the beating.
Apply a thin layer of buttercream on the board and stick your first layer of cake. Spread a thin layer of frosting. Pipe a ring of frosting around the edge and fill the center with fruit filling and stack your final layer of cake. Crumb coat the cake by applying a thin layer of frosting and spread it using your palette knife. Even out with a scraper and chill for 30 minutes or so. Apply the final cover on top, even it out and use the tip of the palette knife to create the rings of the tree stump. Use piping tip 32 or large star tip and pipe some random spirals on the side of the cake. To create the bark texture, pipe some wavy strokes starting from the bottom all the way to the top. Repeat the same process until you cover the entire cake. Add the eye candies randomly, but never put these yet if you are keeping the cake overnight in the fridge, as the iris will bleed. Melts in the mouth, chocolate velvety cake with choco cream cheese frosting and balanced by the tangy blueberry filling. What a perfect combination! Enjoy! This video is brought to you by Easy Bake. See you in the next one. Bye!